quick one before we end. If you would like this to look a bit more realistic, because it looks good, but obviously it's done using tricks, so you're not going to actually see everything you would like to in real life. If you go back over to the render settings and change it from Eevee to cycles, it's going to change settings and look like it used to. You can simplify it if you want to, all sorts of things like that, change the render settings. But now if I go to render image, it's going to do it a bit more realistic for light. Now I'll pause it for a few seconds there while I've got it on the screen. You see it's been 20 odd seconds and it's taking a lot longer to do. But it is slightly more realistic looking. When you're doing proper rendering, you'll use cycles, but create it in Eevee. When this is finished, of course, do image and save image as, but this is an option if you want to make it look a little bit more realistic.